Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law number 2. This morning, we have two dockets. We have our motion to revoke probation docket and our announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive. If you are representing yourself or if you are not represented by an attorney, when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. First case is Kenyatta Patton. That's cute.
It's Cornelius.
Yeah. Okay, this is cause number 26CCCR 1220. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Kenyatta Omar Patton.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Patton, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Patton?
I'm doing okay.
That's good, Mr. Patton. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney James Macon. Mr. Macon, how are you doing?
I'm doing wonderful, Your Honor.
That's good. State is represented in this case by Attorney Samuel Masradian and Attorney Masradian. How are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. Mr. Macon, what is your announcement in Mr. Patton's case?
Your Honor, we have most of the discovery and I've emailed Cornelius a couple of things. But he has not made me an offer, so it asks for a 30-day reset.
Okay,
I feel it'll be a plea.
all right. And I see you were hired on this case last month.
Yeah.
It was the standard reset.
Oh, no, it's like Wednesday, Thursday.
July 20 what? Second? Okay. Mr. Patton, your case will be reset to the July 22nd,
Yes, sir.
2026 at 9 a.m. You will get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Please have a seat in that second chair on the wall. Wait for your name to be called. Yeah, right there. You can sit in the first chair.
Oh, yes, sir.
Next case is Jose DeLeon. Okay, Mr. DeLeon, your full name is Jose Natividad
Yes, sir.
DeLeon.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
Good party.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. DeLeon, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney James Macon.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Macon, what is your announcement, Mr. DeLeon?
Your Honor,
please?
Mr. DeLeon is going to be a plea. However, some matters have come up that I need like 30 days to take care of. If I could ask for a 30-day reset.
Okay, so you want to reset it for plea in 30 days?
Yes,
Okay, give us a 30-day reset for plea. July 22nd, is that
that'll
fine?
be fine.
Okay, this case will be reset to July 22nd, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Mr. DeLeon, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Macon, is that your last case?
That is, Your Honor. Thank you. very
Okay,
much.
you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes.
Next case is cause number 26CCCR 0474. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Chastity Caesar. Ms. Caesar is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Caesar, you could take your mic off of mute.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you doing, Ms. Caesar?
Fine, and you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Ms. Caesar. You're representing your case by your attorney, James Paget, who is also appearing via Zoom. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Ms. Caesar's case?
Your Honor, I've just recently received all the discovery as well as the test results. Just need if you would give us a standard 30-day reset, I'll just need time to set up an appointment with Ms. Caesar, which I'll contact her today after court, and we'll dispose of this case at the next setting.
Okay, Ms. Caesar, okay, give us a reset date? This case will be reset to July 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. You need to be in court in person on that date. Your
Yes, sir.
attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Again, your case is reset till July 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. You are free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Next case is cause number 26CCCR0862. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Mahogany Moore. Ms. Moore is also appearing via Zoom. Ms. Moore, you can take your mic off of mute.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, how are you doing, Ms. Moore?
I'm doing good, and you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Moore, you're represented by your attorney, James Paget. And Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Ms. Moore's case?
Your Honor, we had originally agreed that Ms. Moore would be there in person. However, since that time, we've received some good news. She has been admitted into the pretrial diversion program, and I'm not certain of our signing date yet. I'm waiting on Ms. Sterling to contact me, but I have acknowledged the receipt of her email, and we've accepted the pretrial diversion. We just need a signing date. And I don't have that confirmed just yet, but Ms. Sterling normally gets back to me really quickly.
Okay, give us a reset date. Yeah, it'll be, I guess it will be the 22nd.
I know the next one is August.
Right.
Right.
But we don't know.
But
Well,
that would be our request to sign in August if they'll allow it.
Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna give you a July date right now to see if
Yes, Your Honor.
you know, you get a signing date. So it'll be July
Absolutely, Your
22nd,
Honor.
2026. July 2nd, 2026.
Well,
July
isn't the next
22nd,
signing date
2026.
August?
Yes, it is, but I mean, you're
Okay.
not on that list, so we don't know if you're gonna be on that list.
Okay, well, she has been, for sure, she's been accepted into the program. We don't have a signing date yet. So she's
Understand.
definitely, yeah, I have an email where she's definitely, they've granted her
Yeah, but if
admittance.
she then we're gonna put it on this here date. If she actually we find out that it's on the 20, that she's actually on the list on the 20 on the 20th in August, and
Yeah,
then
if it was,
so if she's on that
Okay.
list in August, what they're gonna do once she signs up, they're gonna send us a list, and she won't have to come actually after this 2020 after
Well, I'm
this
saying-
22nd date.
okay, you're giving us a July date, but the
Right.
next signing date's August.
I understand. We want to make sure that
Okay.
she's on that list.
Huh.
We don't know that now.
Okay.
Okay, because she may
Okay,
be
Your
on the
Honor.
list for August or not. She might be on it for October. I don't know.
Okay,
Okay, so it's gonna be July 22nd, 2026. And she can appear by Zoom, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you Miss Moore, your reset will be sent to your attorney and your bondsman. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go. and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, and Mr. Paget, I think this is your last case.
Yes, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Emmanuel Carrillo Taruca. Let's see this. Okay. This is cause number 25 CCCR 1860. Case of style of state of Texas versus Emmanuel Carrillo Taruca. Mr. Carrillo Taruca, is that his full name? Does he speak?
He does not speak English, Judge.
Okay. Ask him if his full name is Emmanuel Carrillo Taruca.
Yes.
Okay. ¿Cómo está? Bien. And Mr. Rojas, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
Okay, the state is represented in this case by Attorney Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
Fine, Your Honor, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Rojas, I think the last time that we were here, there was a unfiled
DWI,
case.
arising of the same incident, and I think the arrest was in June of last year, so we're right at a year. We checked this morning, there's still no new DWI file. Blood, I think, is taken right at a year, so I think hopefully within the next month or two, it'll get filed. Or we'll get the results at least.
Okay. Okay, and you still don't have, y'all don't have it on in the intake? Okay, so you probably sent it to the lab, I would imagine.
I'm sure, yeah.
Okay, so we'll reset this case. Give us just a standard reset. Okay, this case will be reset to July 22nd, 2026. And Mr. Rojas, you can give Mr. Carrillo Taruca his reset and he's free to go.
Mhm.
Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2506, case of style of state of Texas versus Antonio Rafael Zampapor. And let's see. Does he speak English?
She does not.
Okay. And this action, if his full name is Antonio Rafael Zampapor.
Yes, number. Yes.
Okay. ¿Cómo está? Bien. And Mr. Rojas, what is your announcement in this case? I see that you were hired back in December of 2025.
Yes, sir. We've had some payment issues. We finally got caught up on that. I'm asking for one standard reset. I'm gonna try to get him the pretrial diversion. If not, I anticipate it being a plea.
So you haven't submitted the letter to
I have not
pretrial
submitted.
diversion yet? Okay. Give us a standard reset, July 22nd, 2026. Pretrial diversion. It's gonna be reset July 22nd?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Zampop Corey can get his reset. Once you get it reset, he's free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Is this your last case,
It is,
Mr. Ross? You're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
If anybody ready? Okay, let's see. Who we got. Christine. Robert Lee Hawkins II.
Hold on that one.
You gonna hold? Okay. Mr. Hawkins, just have a seat. We'll call you again. Okay. Is Marcus Pascal Kidling?
So hold on that one, Judge.
Oh, okay. Just have a seat. Okay. Is that it?
I have one other, Your Honor. This one's gonna be.
We have another? Oh, then, Jared Wesley Gaucher? Mr. Gaucher, your full name is Jared Wesley Gaucher? How you doing, Mr. Gaucher? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Gaucher, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Christy Carlton, and Ms. Carlton, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor.
And Ms. Carlton, let's see, I see that you were appointed on this case in April 21st.
Yes, Your Honor.
And what's your announcement?
Your Honor, I've spoken with the state, and the state has informed me they're still looking for the body cameras that I've asked for. And they also have to talk to someone else higher up in the VA's office about another issue that Sam said he has to speak with Andrew, an issue.
That's correct, Your Honor. This was back a couple of years ago, and the police officers have transferred systems. We believe that the video has been lost, but I'm still awaiting on an answer from them to confirm that. And then, yes, there's another bigger issue that we're trying to get resolved.
Okay. Hold on a minute. Okay, Father, 24. Okay, I see, he filed it at 24, but he wasn't arrested until March of 26. Yeah, January 24, March, okay. Condition of. Oh. We're gonna reset this to July 22nd. Okay, this case will be reset to July 22nd, 2026 at 9 AM. You'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you'll, let's take.
Have a good day.
All right, same to you. You're gonna print what? Oh, okay. Hey. Brother. That can't be right. Not paying 11,000. No, 1,000. We need to give it
But I
back to him.
think
He didn't
I
add
think
it
it-
up right.
Cause none of it
That's-
is.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Your approach, Judge?
Yeah, yeah, okay, hold on a minute. You could just ask him to come on. I mean, what's his name?
Right.
Yeah, he needs that. He uses his, the expenses is not added up right. Okay. You're gonna be right back? Hey, Mr. Burbank?
Yeah, I have Mr. LeBlue. Mr. LeBlue, come up, please.
Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 2748. Case is style of state of Texas versus Wesley J. LeBlue. Mr. LeBlue, is that your full name?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. LeBlue, you're represented in your case by your attorney Tom Burbank. And Mr. LeBlue, how are you doing?
Well, as you on.
Okay, Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Doing great, Judge.
That's good. And Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Mr. LeBlue's case?
We tried to settle this, Judge. Mr. LeBlue, has said he is innocent of these charges.
Okay.
Has to be placed on the trial docket.
Okay,
I believe all the discovery, has been given.
okay,
We are ready.
okay. Give us a reset date for trial, Mr. LeBlue. He's on page 2 of the announcement docket. Reset for trial.
July 27th.
7th. Okay, Mr. LeBlue, your case will be reset for trial July 27th, 2026 at 9 AM. You get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Burbank, is this your only case?
I think that's it, Judge.
Okay, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Yeah.
And I'm probably for Dustin today.
Okay,
Any cases you have for Dustin, I'll.
okay, well, he has 2 people on Zoom.
Yes, James.
Okay, Christopher Landry. Okay, Mr. Landry is that's Christopher Jason Landry.
Yes.
Mr. Landry is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Landry, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor.
That's good. Now, Mr. Landry, you're represented in your case by your attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here. Standing in for Attorney Galmore is Attorney Gilthorpe. Does Mr. Gilthorpe have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore? Mr. Landry, does Mr.
Yes, sir.
Gilthorpe?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Good, well, Doug, how are you?
I'm doing fine. And Mr. Landry, how are you doing?
I'm good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, what is your announcement?
Good. Mr. Gilmore is still negotiating on that case. He fully expects it to be resolved soon. And so we're asking for just another setting so we to be put on a plea docket.
Okay, give us a reset. She's resetting July 22nd. Okay, Mr. Landry, this case will be reset to July 22nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. On that day, you need to be in court in person. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Next case is Jacob Pope. Mr. Pope is also appearing via Zoom. And Mr. Pope, you could take your mic off of mute.
Okay.
How you doing, Mr. Pope?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Pope. You're representing your case by your attorney, Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here. Standing in for Attorney Galmore is Attorney Jared Gilthorpe. Does Mr. Gilthorpe have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Gilthorpe, what is your announcement in Mr. Pope's case?
It's the same as Mr. Landry. We'd like to be placed on a plea docket. We're still negotiating. We believe that'll be resolved soon.
Okay, Mr. Pope, your case will be reset to July 22nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Mr. Pope, you are free to go, and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Juan Jaimez. Must not speak English.
He didn't know.
So my way trying to take it.
Yes, she does not. She does not speak English.
Okay, so court is in session in cause number 25 CCCR 2094. Case is style of State of Texas versus Juan Jaimez. And Mr. Gilthorpe, would you ask Mr. Jaimez if his full name is Juan Jaimez?
Juan Jaimez.
Okay. ¿Cómo está?
Bien.
Bien. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, what is your announcement in
Good.
Mr. Jaimez's case?
Because we need that one placed on a trial docket.
Reset it for trial?
Yes, Judge. We're ready.
Give us a trial date. Okay,
Yep. August 10th.
okay.
Same judge.
This case is reset to August 10th, 2026. Okay, tell him he could get his reset and he's free to go. Bedelio Palico Garcia.
This.
This is Mr.
This is the.
Palico Garcia, Badilio Palico Garcia.
Yes, Judge.
And let's see, Mr. Garcia has two cases. The second case was just recently filed. Let's see, he has a, he paid in numbers.
I'm guessing the blood came back. His wife waited. Okay. We'll cover that one too. I don't think we will do that, but have a representation letter on it.
Okay.
We'll do it. Judge, we didn't know that the new case had been picked up yet, but we do plan on representing him on that case. We'll send over.
You have a letter of rep on both of them.
On both?
Yeah,
Oh,
Yeah, you're.
then we already did it.
yeah,
Then yeah, we've got it.
okay,
I don't have the discovery on the DWI case. I only have the discovery on the first.
yes,
Like I don't have the
okay,
lab results, stuff like that. But then
Okay.
that, I'm pretty sure we can resolve this one, Judge.
okay. Give us a standard reset.
The last one.
Okay,
Wait, oh, hold on. He's on vacation.
oh, that's right, he's on vacation in the month of July. We August,
August 10th?
It's good.
Okay.
It works.
these cases will be reset to August 10th, 2026. Mr. Garcia can get his reset from our board coordinator. Once he gets his reset, he's free to go. You have a blessed day. Daniel Ramirez. This is cause number 26CCCR 0454. Case of style of the state of Texas versus Daniel Rojas Ramirez. Mr. Ramirez, is that your full name? Okay. How are you doing? You doing good? That's good. Now, Mr. Ramirez is represented by Attorney Jerry Gilthorpe. And Mr. Gilthorpe, what is your announcement in Mr. Ramirez case?
We've applied for pretrial diversion. We'd request time to get a response from the DA's office on pretrial diversion.
Okay,
August 10th.
okay. Mr. Ramirez, your case is reset to August 10th, 2026. You'll get your reset from the court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Marion Gates.
It's a plea judge.
Oh, it is? Okay, I don't have it yet.
Okay.
Okay, you can have a seat. We'll call you back up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me print this off. He has to make the change. So it'll be an AKA. Okay, it's gonna be printing off. Okay, Mr. Macy, I had, oh, this need to be first, you need to write first amended.
Oh, I did it up there. My bad.
Oh, yeah, don't, yeah, it has to be right in front of it, the first amended. Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 0448. I have before me a document that is titled First Amended Information. Is that correct, State?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And Mr. Macy, do you have any objections to the state during the trial amendment to this information?
No objection.
You waive any time in which to prepare for trial,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay?
Well, so waive the record in this case.
Okay. Here you go. Okay, I'm making like that on here. You plead to the first amended. Okay, just a second. Okay. Now, Mr. Gates, I have before me a document on my, I have before me a document that is titled First Amended Information. In this information, it alleges that you, Kamarion Gates, AKA Kamarion Gates, the first Kamarion is 1 R, the second Kamarion is 2 R's. It alleges that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest detention, which allegedly occurred on or about January 2nd of 2024. Mr. Gates, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to this charge, Mr. Gates, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Okay, Mr. Gates, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. You recognize this document? This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. The initials are KG. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, Your Honor.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gates, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney, Mr. Macy, go over these documents with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you understand everything that Mr. Macy went over?
Yes, Your
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gates, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
State offer State's Exhibit 1, Your Honor.
Any
No.
objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objection. States Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Macy, you advised and counseled Mr. Gates. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Gates, your attorney, Mr. Macy, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gates, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The confinement in jail for a period of 90 days, probated for a period of 1 year, the $200 fine, and 30 hours community service.
What's the court cost?
$337.
Okay. Mr. Gates, the state is offering that you serve 90 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not be required to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $200 plus court costs of $337. You'll be required to pay probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You'll also be required to reimburse Jefferson County Code Appointed attorney's fees of $350. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month while you're on probation, is $164 a month. Are you able to pay the $164 a month?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You will also be required to perform 30 hours of community service, and you'll be required to adhere to all the other standard conditions of this probation. Mr. Gates, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gates, we are in agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Gates, you're gonna stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Macy, is this your own occasion?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Do we have his name on there, AKA on the judgment?
I haven't heard of it.
Okay. Who is Marcus Kidling? Marcus Kidling. Robert Lee Hawkins. Herbert Smith. Mr. Smith, your full name is Herbert August Smith?
Yes.
Mr. Smith, would you please raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Mr. Smith, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Smith? That's good. Mr. Smith, I have before me a document that is titled Motion to Revoke Your Probation. This motion was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this motion, it alleges that you, Herbert August Smith, was tried in County Court Outlaw Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on May 7th, 2025, for the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. You were found guilty, and your punishment was assessed at 365 days confinement in the Jefferson County Jail, and a fine of $1,000. In the state's motion, there are 5 allegations. Allegation number 1 alleges that you, Herbert August Smith, committed the offense of driving while intoxicated third or more on or about the 5th day of February 2026 in Jefferson County, Texas, in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. Allegation number 2 alleges that you failed to pay court-assessed fees as ordered by the court, and as of February 12th of 2026, You were $444 in arrears in violation of condition 9 of your probation order. Allegation number 3 alleged that you failed to perform community service hours as required by the court in violation of condition 17 of your probation order. Allegation number 4 alleges that you failed to provide verifications of having the auto ignition interlock system installed in your automobile in violation of the additional condition F of your probation order. And allegation number 5 alleged that you failed to enter and successfully complete the DW education class and pay the required fee as ordered by the court in violation of the additional condition G of your probation order. Now, Mr. Smith, if the court finds that any one of these allegations are true, the court can assess your punishment up to 365 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Now, Mr. Smith, I also have before me a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document?
Yes,
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? And are these your initials on the line that state you'd like to have your case reset to hire your own attorney?
Yes.
Mr. Smith, your case is going to be reset to give you time to hire your attorney. Our court coordinator is going to reset your case. Once you get your case reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Christopher Sean Jones. Okay, Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is in session in 2 cases. Cause numbers 24 CCCR 2236 and cause number 24 CCCR 1440. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Christopher Sean Jones. Mr. Jones, is that your full name?
Christopher Sean Keith Jones.
Okay. Christopher Sean Keith Jones?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Jones, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Jones, you are represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Marvel Provo. And Ms. Provo, how are you doing? That's good. Let's see. Ms. Provo,
Yes, ma'am.
what is your announcement in Mr. Jones' cases?
Your Honor, we're asking the court to give us another extension of 30 days. He has completed the, community service honor from our last agreement, in April. And as for the other part about the money, he's having difficult, getting employment in this area. He has tried to obtain employment through fast foods and he's turned down. And he does have 2 offers, that of employment. However, the employment is in construction outside this counties in Harris County where he needs to work. He is guaranteed these jobs so he can pay for his, fees. And we're asking for a 30 day.
Okay, now let me ask you something. I see here, I'm looking at the motion to revoke probation, and there are 3 felonies that's alleged in the motion. Is that correct? Have those cases been filed?
Not down
Okay. Okay. So we're gonna give him a standard reset?
Yes.
Okay. Give it, okay, give us a date. Okay, these cases will be reset July 22nd, 2026. Mr. Jones, you
Yes.
get your recess? Once you get your recess, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
I want to actually, can I go to Houston to go work in Harris County?
You don't have, you got to talk to your probation officer on that because you're still on probation.
Okay.
Yeah, they're the ones that have to get you permission, yeah. Okay. Okay, stand up and get your reset. Sarah Renee Roy,
She's not here long.
defendant to appear in person.
At this moment, I talked to her earlier.
Earlier today,
This morning, about 30 minutes ago. And right now, she's being evicted by the constable from the apartment. In her residence, so she's not able to come at this time.
yeah, we reset it last week
Yes, Your Honor.
for the same reason, huh?
Well, last week, she received a letter. Today, she's after being evicted by the constable. That's what she told me.
Okay, okay, what I'm gonna do, just hold on that right now, so you can. Mr. Riley, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Riley, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Riley? You doing good? That's good. Mr. Riley. Let's see. Okay, Mr. Riley, I have before me in cause number 24 CCCR 0827, a document that is titled Information. Actually, this document is titled Motion to Revoke Probation. In this motion to revoke probation that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office, it alleges that you, Jaden A. Riley, was tried in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas on November 12th, 2024 for the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest detention. You were found guilty and your punishment was assessed at 90 days confinement in the Jefferson County Jail, and your fine was assessed at $500. In this motion, there are 3 allegations. Allegation number 1 alleges that you, Jaden A. Riley, failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office as ordered by the court and on or about November 17, 2025, December 11, 2025, January 15, 2026, and February 10, 2026 for your administrative hearing in violation of condition 4 of your probation or set. And allegation number 2 alleges that you failed to pay court assessed fees as ordered by the court. And as of February 10, 2026, you were $248 in arrears in violation of condition 9 of your probation order. And allegation number 3 alleges that you failed to perform community service hours required as ordered by the court in violation of condition 17 of your probation order. Now, if the state or if the court finds that any one of these allegations are true, your punishment can be assessed up to 90 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand that? Now, Mr. Riley, I have before me two documents. The first document is titled Judicial Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that cited defendant?
Yes.
Or are these your initials on the line that state you like to apply for court-appointed attorney? I also have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of the same document, the signature above the line that's titled defendant's signature, is this your signature? Mr. Riley, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents? Did you understand what you read?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Riley, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney, and the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in your case is Attorney Giles Cole. Attorney Cole will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once she gives you that information, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Mr. Riley, please stand in front of, well, please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. And wait for your name to be called. Okay. Robert Lee Hawkins, second. Okay. This is cause number 25 CCCR 1160. Case is style of state of Texas versus Robert Lee Hawkins II. Mr. Hawkins, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hawkins, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God? Mr. Hawkins, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Hawkins? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Hawkins, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Christy Carlton. And Ms. Carlton, do you waive a record in Mr. Hawkins' case?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Hawkins, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Robert Lee Hawkins II, on or about March 28th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member. Mr. Hawkins, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Hawkins, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Hawkins, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. The initials are RH. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document, there's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes,
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document on paper that is titled discovery certification. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Mr. Hawkins, before you signed and initialed all of these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes,
to the
sir.
best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hawkins, are you a citizen of the United States?
Sir.
State Officer State's Exhibit 1.
No objection.
No objection. State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. Coughlin, you advised and counseled Mr. Hawkins. Is there any evidence that he is mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Hawkins, your attorney, Ms. Coughlin, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Mr. Hawkins, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows: 180 days, county jail, probated over 15 months, a fine of $1,575, no community service, veterans intervention program, and no communication in a threatening or harassing manner with the complaining witness, Larisha Pizino.
Okay, Mr. Hawkins, the state is offering that you serve 180 days in Jefferson County jail. You will not be required to serve any time in the Jefferson County jail in this case. because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 15 months. During the 15-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $1,575. You'll be required to pay, oh, I didn't even put the court cost. What's the court cost? $337?
Yes.
Hold on a minute. Okay, Mr. Hawkins, the state is offering that you serve 180 days in Jefferson County Jail. However, you'll not be required to serve any more time in Jefferson County Jail on this case because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 15 months. During the 15-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $1,575. You'll be required to pay a court cost of $337. You're required to pay a probation fee of $6 a month, unanimous fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County court-appointed attorney's fees of $350, and you're required to pay $100 to a family violence center in Jefferson County. The total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $250 a month. Are you able to pay the $250 a month?
Yes, sir.
That you also be required to, you will not be required to perform any community service that's been waived. You will be required to attend and complete a batters intervention and prevention class, commonly referred to as BIP. And you cannot communicate in a threatening or harassing manner with the complaining witness, Latasha Tizino. And you will be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Mr. Hawkins, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer? So Hawkins, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Hawkins, I need to give you and go over with you the written admonition on ineligibility to possess a firearm ammunition. And it states that in accordance with the Texas Administrative Code, Section 176.1, the court hereby admonishes you or warns you of the following. Number one, you are by entry or order or judgment ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm ammunition. Number two, beginning now, if you possess a firearm ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have questions about how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm ammunition, you should consult an attorney. Number three, under Texas Penal Code Section 46.013, firearms mean any device designed, made, or adapted to expel a projectile from a barrel by using the energy generated by an explosion or burning substance, or any device readily convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have as an integral part a folding knife blade or other characteristics of weapon made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is one, an antique or carry firearm manufactured before 1899, or two, a replica of an antique or carry firearm manufactured before 1899, but only if the replica does not use rimfire or centerfire ammunition. For more information about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or for more information on how long your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition lasts, the court recommends you contact an attorney. For your reference, you may wish to consult the statutes listed below, which may or may not apply to your circumstances. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 17.292, Magistrate's Orders for Emergency Protection. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 27.14E1, plea of guilty or nolo contendere in a misdemeanor case. Code of Criminal Procedure Article 42.0131, notice for persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Penal Code Section 46.02, unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code Section 46.04, unlawful possession of firearm. Penal Code Section 25.07, violation of certain court orders or conditions of bond in a family violence, child abuse and neglect, sexual assault or abuse, indecent assault, stalking, or trafficking case. Family Code Section 85.026, warning on protecting. Now, Mr. Hawkins, the written admonition that you have is for your records. You stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Marcus Kittling. Mr. Kittling, your full name is Marcus Paschal Kittling, is that correct? Mr. Kittling, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
So if you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Kittling?
All right.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Kittling, you represented in the case by your attorney, Miss Christy Carlton. Ms. Carlton, do you waive a record in Mr. Kittling's case?
I do.
And Mr. Kittling, I have before me a document that is titled Motion to Forfeit. You probably need to, they put BPD and you just probably need to put Beaumont.
Okay, my bad.
It said Beaumont. It
Yeah,
already had
Beaumont Police Department. Yeah, I
Yeah.
didn't think about
Okay. You need a whiteout?
that. I just was gonna write underneath it. That's
Oh,
all.
no, just leave it out there. Better. Okay. Now, Mr. Kittling, I have a document before me that's titled Motion to Forfeit. Do you recognize this motion? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yeah.
Before you sign this document, did your attorney, Ms. Carlton, go over this document with you?
Yeah.
And did you understand everything that Ms. Carlton went over? And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Kittling, I'm granting this motion to forfeit the weapon in this case to the Beaumont Police Department and state I have before me a motion to dismiss. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And Mr. Kittling, I'm signing the motion to dismiss this case for forfeiture of the weapon to the Beaumont Police Department. And Mr. Kittling, you can get a copy of this motion from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy of the motion, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Let's see, that's on, let's see, what's that to be dismissed. Ms. Carlton, is that your last
Yes,
case?
Your Honor, may I be excused?
Yes, you may be excused and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Tammy Denise Alexander? Yes. Miss Alexander, full name is Tammy Denise Alexander.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Alexander, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Miss Alexander, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Miss Alexander?
I'm pretty good, homie.
That's good. Now, Miss Alexander, I have before me two documents. First document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights. Defendants without attorney, you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled
It
Defendant?
is.
And are these your initials on the line? that
Yes,
state you like to waive your right to attorney and represent yourself.
that is,
I also have another document that is titled waiver of counsel for purposes of entering a guilty plea or proceeding to trial. Do you recognize this document?
yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line as titled
Yes.
defendant? Now, Ms. Alexander, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents?
I reviewed it.
You understood what
Yes,
you
sir, I
reviewed?
did.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Alexander, I have before me a motion to dismiss this case. Is that correct, state?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, so Ms. Alexander, I'm signing this motion to dismiss this case. You'll be able to get a copy of this motion. And once you get a copy of this motion, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. And Ms. Alexander, understand that you had to travel from another state to come here?
I traveled, North Carolina.
Okay. You came here and I also understand that you may have had death in your family. Well, you have my condolences, you and your family. And you have a blessed day. You can get your receipt and you're free to go. And you have, get your dismissal and you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Robinson, your full name is Bradley Stewart Robinson Jr.?
Yes.
Mr. Robinson, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Robinson, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Robinson? Good. Now, Mr. Robinson, I have before me two documents. First document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line as titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Are these your initials on the line that state you like to apply for a court-appointed attorney? I also have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you understand this document? Oh, well, do you recognize this document? On page 2 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant signature. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Robinson, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the document? Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in this document true, or in these documents, true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Robinson, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney, and the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is attorney Jennifer DeLage. Ms. DeLage will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact her. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once you get this information, you'll be free to go. Hold on a minute. Oh, let me do this here. This is an MTRP. Okay, Ms. Robinson, I have before me a document that is titled Motion to Revoke Probation. This motion was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this motion, it alleges that you, Bradley Stewart Robinson Jr., was tried in County Court Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on September 12th of 2025 for the Class B misdemeanor offense of theft. Let's see, this is a motion for unadjudicated probation, and the court found that evidence was sufficient beyond a reasonable doubt to support a finding of guilt. However, the court deferred your adjudication and placed you on unadjudicated probation for a period of 15 months. In this motion, there are 6 allegations. Allegation number 1 alleges that you, Bradley Stewart Robinson Jr., committed the offense of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 2, less than 1 gram, on or about March 6, 2026, in Jefferson County, Texas, in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. Allegation number 2 alleges that you committed the offense of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 3, less than 28 grams, on or about March 6, 2026, in Jefferson County, Texas, in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. Allegation number 3 alleges that you failed to pay court-assessed fees as ordered by the court, and as of March 13, 2026, you were $427 in arrears in violation of condition 9 of your probation order. Allegation number 4 alleges that you provided a urine sample on or about March 11 of 2026 for the scientific analysis that showed the presence of the metabolic byproducts of THC and alcohol in violation of condition 14 of your probation order. Allegation number 5 alleged that you failed to perform community service hours required as ordered by the court in violation of condition 17 of your probation order. And allegation number 6 alleged that you failed to provide verification of completing a theft prevention class in violation of the additional condition 18 of your probation order. Now, Mr. Robinson, if the court finds that any one of these allegations are true, your punishment can be assessed up to 180 days in the county jail. Do you understand? Let's see. Now, these felony cases, have they been filed? Okay, they haven't been filed yet. Okay. All right. Now, Mr. Robinson. Again, you qualify for the Department of Court Appointed Attorney. An attorney that's representing you is going to be Ms. Jennifer DeLage. Ms. DeLage will be given information to contact you, and you'll be given information to contact her. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once you get the information, you're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Yes, sir. Okay. Here you go.
What's the reset date on that?
Hmm?
What's the reset date on that one?
full name is, you pronounce it Jorge or George? Okay, Adrian, so that's Jorge Adrian Magana. Okay, how are you doing?
I'm good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Magana, you represented your case by your attorney, Don Boudreaux. Mr. Boudreaux is,
I've been trying to contact him and everything.
well, he's in the last we heard, he was in the hospital.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, so we're going to appoint another attorney to represent you.
yeah, I read that.
Okay, and he doesn't want to be David Grove. Okay, what we're gonna do, he doesn't want to be on. We're gonna appoint Todd LeBlanc. Okay,
Alright.
that's another lawyer. We're gonna appoint Todd LeBlanc. You'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Sit in that first chair on the wall, wait for your name to come. Okay. That's Miss. I need who did I appoint? Jaden Riley? Who did I appoint? Charles Cole.
Mr. Montgomery, fancy those people. What's your phone? 33. 55. He should be contacting me this week if he doesn't his contact information. You're welcome.
Did I don't know if this person showed up. James Bellette. That's gonna be 3 bond forfeitures. Wilkerson, yes, it was outside.
And,
Oh, they went in the back.
Y'all.
He's outside?
Here, he's in the building. And asked me, was it too late? I said, no, come on.
Oh, okay, Miss Provo, you
She's supposed to be coming,
you gonna be appearing on Zoom? Wilkerson, okay. There's Miss Nixon is on that one. Do we know what happened on, Boris felony?
No.
Hmm? I know, but I'm talking about the law, the defendant, he has a felony case. I'm trying to figure out. I mean, is he representing him on a felony? You represent, Langston, you represent Borg on the felony?
No, sir, I got, just a misdemeanor, they say he's not here.
Oh, he's showing up on.
No, he's across the street. Well, he was across the street. He's not over here.
Let's see what happened on his felony case.
And my other one discussed the roles.
Yeah, that's, Farrah Nixon's case. She's in the back. Nixon. Who is Ian Lee? That's Mr. Cole's client. Ian Lee.
Oh, that person wasn't even here.
I haven't checked.
We had two.
Hmm? Wonder if he's out in the hallway talking to him. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is in session in 2 cases. Cause number 26CCCR 0476 and cause number 26CCCR 0478. Both cases are style of state of Texas versus Kyle Thaddeus Rose. Mr. Rose, is that your full name?
Yeah.
How are you doing, Mr. Rose?
I'm going good, how about
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Rose, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Langston Adams. And Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
Doing well.
And Mr. Adams, what's your announcement?
Just need to get an offer from the state.
Okay, that's Miss Nixon's case. Okay, just have a seat. We see if she can give you an offer this morning before you leave. Cause I see here you were hired on this case back in April.
Mhm.
And you have your discovery, is that correct?
Yes, sir, I got the discovery.
You just need an offer.
I just need an offer, I got
Okay.
the discovery.
Okay. And we're checking on Eric Bohr. That's your other client.
I thought you said he was.
He's in drug court, but we need to see the status of the case, whether or not it was played or reset or.
Can I get on him a reset from? I'll wait till she come back though.
She's not checking. You already checked? It's not it. Well, yeah. Okay, we may have to call over. Okay, Mr. Cole.
Yes, Sean.
How are you doing?
Well, Judge, I was almost out of there, Judge. You almost didn't have me no more. I'm doing better now.
Oh, well, I'm
But
glad you're still here in the land of the living.
man, I was almost, there's something called rhabdomyolysis. And I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but what happened when you go to the gym and you overwork out, when you break down the muscle fiber too bad, you have massive muscle cell death. And it releases myoglobin throughout your blood and your kidneys can't filter it. So
Right.
what I didn't know was that I was one day removed from being on dialysis had I not gone to the ER.
Wow.
Yeah, and you can't tell. There's nothing that you can't feel it.
Right.
Your body I was shutting down and didn't know it because when I was working out, I was too dehydrated.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
and so I learned a lesson, but it almost cost me. But I'm shaking back now. I couldn't move. I was
I
really
understand.
yeah,
Well, we're
yes.
glad that you was able to get it, find out what the problem was and you get it rectified. And we're glad you're
They
still here, so that's a good thing.
they put me on 4 fluid bags, IVs.
All right.
But
Yeah, to
and
stay hydrated. Yeah.
yeah, my legs, I have skinny legs, Judge, and hell, they look like tree trunks.
All
Yeah,
right.
so
Yeah.
we're good. But
Okay.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, well, I was gonna say that your client, Eon Lee, we had him marked as being here, but he's not here. Okay, I called your name earlier. Why you didn't say nothing? Why don't you come on up? There. Okay, Mr. Lee, why don't you come on up? Okay, how you doing, Mr. Lee?
Doing good with you.
All right, we called your name earlier.
Uh,
Okay. Well, you all right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Lee, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Giles Cole. And now, Mr. Cole, I see that you were appointed on this case last month. Is that correct?
Yes, Your
May 13, 2026. Now, have you received your discovery?
No, I haven't, John. I've been I'm getting caught up.
Okay, you're just getting back. Okay, yeah, you just told me that. And so what we'll do, we'll give you a standard reset. Okay? Give an opportunity to get the discovery, get an offer from the state, and also meet with your client. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right,
Thank
so
you.
we will give us date. It's gonna be July 22nd. This case will be reset to July 22nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. And Mr. Lee, you'll get your reset. Once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman, and you have a blessed day. All right, you can have a
Thank
seat in that first chair. And Mr. Cole, I think this is your only case. You're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
And you have a blessed day and take care of yourself.
Yes, I'm gonna elevate my feet and do some work, Judge. Thank you.
I understand.
Yes, sir.
All right, you have a blessed day.
You do the same.
All right, bye. Next case is Isabel Marie Ventura. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0096. Case is style of state of Texas versus Isabel Marie Ventura. Miss Ventura, is that your full name? How are you doing, Miss Ventura? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Miss Ventura, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marcus Wilkerson. And Mr. Wilkerson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well today, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. Mr. Wilkerson, probation department is represented by Mr. Garrett Gilliam. Mr. Gilliam, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you, sir.
And you're welcome. And the state is represented by Attorney Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing? And Mr. Wilkerson, or well, Mr. Gilliam and Ms. Nixon, what's the recommendation?
Your Honor, there was an offer made by the state. Ms. Ventura would like to proceed to a revocation hearing. Just for the court's awareness, I believe there is a new felony charge, but it is not connected to the underlying allegations in
Okay.
this case.
Okay,
I don't believe it's been fully indicted yet, and so I would not necessarily expect that to be dispositive.
oh, it's not, okay. So, okay, so we just need to set a hearing date,
Yeah, sure.
okay? We're going to set a hearing date for a motion to revoke probation. And this is Isabel Marie Ventura.
It has to be on.
We want to do Thursday,
He does.
Friday, Thursday, Friday.
Okay.
Yeah, just gonna put it at the end of the week. Yeah, I think the fastest we can have it, we can't, they're entitled to 20 days. Yeah,
The 17th, July 17th.
well, look, he has to look at this. No, when they y'all out of town?
The week of the 13th.
Yeah, they're out of town on that. They can do it on the next week.
I thought the state bar advanced criminal law, I thought was, I have blocked off for that one too. Yeah. Second, maybe y'all can tell me if I'm wrong.
I don't
I
know,
thought advanced criminal law was the week of the 27th.
the 27th?
That's not what we're intending.
Oh, okay.
No, we're gonna be before.
Got you. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna be, what about the week of the 20th?
I'm available on that Friday, Judge.
Hey, brother, he's the week of the 20th of July. He's available that Friday.
Okay.
Okay, July, what's the date? What's the date? Okay. So that'll be July 24th, 2026 at 1:30. And that's the MTRP hearing, contested MTRP hearing. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, so that's a contested MTRP hearing. All right, Ms. Ventura, you get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yes.
Deja Davis. Ms. Davis, your full name is, did I pronounce your first name correctly?
Dahia.
Dahia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how you doing, Ms. Davis?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Davis, you're represented by your attorney, Jennifer DeLage. Ms. DeLage is on Zoom. Ms. DeLage, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Miss, hold on a minute. Let's see. This is cause number 25 CCCR 1014. And Miss DeLage, have you received discovery in this case?
I have not, Judge, and I haven't had a chance to talk with my client yet. I apologize for not being there in person, but I have a mediation today that I'm on the way to. So if I could have one reset, that would be great.
Okay, I see you was just appointed last month. So give us is it gonna be July 22nd? This case will be reset to July 22nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. Miss Davis, you'll get your reset. Make sure you stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman, okay?
I don't get her information. I'll try.
You should, it's gonna be on your reset. It should have been on your appointment.
I actually, what happened was I actually had warrants. So I went to jail and I talked to a judge there. So I never got any information when I got released.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
From the jail.
she'll give you your contact information that you need. Once you get that information, it also includes your court date. You'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And Mr. Lage, your reset will be sent to you, and just for your information, you were appointed on a case today. A gentleman by the name of Bradley Robinson, so you should be getting contacted by him as well. So Mr. Lage, you're free to go.
Judge, I appreciate that.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too.
You're welcome. This is cause number 25 CCCR 0342. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Brian O'Neill Schenkel. Mr. Schenkel, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Schenkel?
All right, let's go.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Schenkel, you are representing yourself in this case. That's kind of referred to as you being pro se.
I need a little bit more time to have my finance. I had all kind of work next Friday for my film.
Okay, so you're trying to hire an attorney, is that correct?
Yes, sir. He told me to come in next Friday. Once.
Okay, Mr. Kimler,
Yes, sir.
okay. Okay, we'll reset your case, give him a standard reset to hire. Okay, this case will be reset to July 22nd, 2026. Give you time to hire an attorney. You get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Okay. This is cause number 26CCCR 0514. Case is style of state of Texas versus Jalen Travon Walker. Mr. Walker, is that your full name?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
How are you doing, Mr. Walker? We need some bond conditions. Now, Mr. Walker, I see that you were in court May 19th. Was that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And at that time, you signed a document that stated that you like to have your case reset to hire your attorney. Is that correct? Have you hired your attorney?
Negative, available.
You say none of them was available.
I'm financially, I'm not financially available.
You say you're not able to hire an attorney?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you just have a seat and they're going to give you some paperwork to fill out. And then once you fill that paperwork out, we'll go over it. All right, so just have a seat.
No.
Jefferson County Court, Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in 3 cases. Cause number 25 CCCR 1375, cause number 25 CCCR 1380, and cause number 25 CCCR 0088. All 3 cases are styled the state of Texas versus James Chester Bellet. Mr. Bellet was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., Court bailiff called the name of James Chester Bellet at the courthouse door. James Bellet did not answer. He's not appearing in court since the court has been in session. Time now is 11:55 a.m. on today's date of June 24th, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of James Bellet at the courthouse door?
James Bellet. James Bellet. Your contract.
James Bellet's name was just called again at the courthouse door. James Bellet did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Bellet an opportunity to appear in court. He is not appearing in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, statement is for bond forfeiture.
Okay, let me see. They have something out of order in this. Okay. James Bellet's bond will be forfeited and warrant should be issued for his arrest in cause numbers 25 CCCR 1375, cause number 25 CCCR 1380, and cause number 25 CCCR 0088. Dylan Walker. Mr. Walker, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Walker, you may put your hand down. How you doing, Mr. Walker? Okay, could be worse too. Yeah. Yeah, so just another day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Now, Mr. Walker, I have before me 2 documents. First document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line as titled defendant? Are these your initials on the line that state you'd like to apply for court-appointed attorney? And is this your signature on the line as titled defendant? I also have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant signature. Is this your signature? Mr. Walker, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents? Did you understand what you read? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Walker, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney, an attorney that will be appointed to represent you in your case is Attorney John Macy. Attorney Macy will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. But before she gives you that information, I need to give you some bond conditions. Bailiff is going to hand you a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law number 2. And I'm going to go over this document with you. And it states standard bond conditions in County Court at Law number 2. Following the return of a criminal conviction in County Court at Law number 2, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional condition. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition? Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to tests for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition? And condition number 3 doesn't apply. Condition number 4 doesn't apply. However, condition number 5 does apply. And it states that defendant is prohibited from possession of firearm or ammunition unless the defendant is a peace officer, as defined by section 1.07 of the Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn full-time paid employee of a state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Walker, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, a warrant will be issued for your arrest. You'll be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, you raised your hand, yes.
This the case for discharging firearm.
No, the case, well, it's disorderly conduct, discharge, display, discharge or display of firearm.
Well, I bought whenever I got ticket from my pops from running me out. He was getting on me about it pretty hard, and I didn't know why. You feel me? Whenever I got to court and got the said ticket for bonding out, it said discharge of firearm.
No, the charge is display or discharge. A discharge or display. So they didn't say you was discharging it. You could be charged with displaying. You had it on you.
I was just confused.
Okay, that's what it is. I read the PC as well, which is a probable cause affidavit, so, or the police report. Now, Mr. Walker, if you violate any one of these conditions, the bond will be revoked. You'll be placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Okay? Now, Mr. Walker, you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And now we're gonna call the stand in front of the court coordinator. Sarah Renee Roy, cause numbers 24-CCCR 0420 and cause number 24-CCCR 0421. Sarah Renee Roy was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., Sarah Roy's name was called at the courthouse door. Sarah Roy did not answer. She has not appeared in court. Her attorney has appeared in court. Attorney is Miss Marva Provo. Miss Provo stated that I think Miss Roy was having some issues with her housing situation. And Miss Provo contacted Miss Roy and gave Miss Roy the number to Zoom in. She has not Zoomed in. And I think, according to my calculations, it's been over an hour since Miss Provo gave her that number, and she still has not made an appearance. At this time, Ms. Bailey, could you please call the name of Sarah Roy at the courthouse door?
Sarah Roy. No response, John.
Okay, Sarah Roy's name is just called again at the courthouse door. Sarah Roy did not answer. Sarah Roy has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. She has not appeared in person or by Zoom. The time now is 5 minutes after 12. State, would you please, state Do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. State moves for bond forfeiture.
Okay, that motion will be granted. Sarah Roy's bond will be forfeited. Warrant shall be issued for arrest. And in cause numbers 24 CCCR 0420 and cause number 24 CCCR 0421. Now, Ms. Provo, if you are able to ascertain whether or not Ms. Roy had some extenuating circumstances that prevented her from being able to appear via Zoom, you can contact the court and we'll inform the district attorney's office. And then we'll let you know whether or not they will withdraw the bond forfeiture. Okay? All right. So you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
And that's for the day.
Yes.
Today?
Yeah, I'm talking about the extenuating circumstances.
Yeah. Why she couldn't appear via Zoom? I mean, because if there's something that prevented her beyond her control from appearing, that needs to be brought to the court's attention.
Okay, I just want to know what was the time is.
I don't know, you need to contact her and find out.
No, I'm talking about
Because we're gonna be in trial. Yeah,
Oh, reporting to the court just as soon as possible.
Okay.
yeah, okay. Yeah, because we're gonna start a jury trial back up at 1:30.
Okay, if I hear from.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, Mayor.
okay, you may be excused and you have a blessed day. Mr. Gillum, I think that's your last case. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thanks, sir.
Oh, I know what I want to ask. Okay, Judge County Court at law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session. Calls number 26CCCR 0078. Case of Styles of State of Texas versus Henry Chris Bias III. Henry Bias was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m. Henry Bias' name was called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Henry Bias did not answer. He has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:11 p.m. on today's date of June 24, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, could you please call the name of Henry Bias at the courthouse door?
Henry Bias. Henry Bias.
Henry Bias' name was just called again at the courthouse door. Henry Bias did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Bias an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. State moves for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Henry Bias bond will be forfeited. Warrant should be for his arrest and calls number 26CCCR 0078. And this will conclude the call in the court's motion to revoke probation docket and the announcement docket. Both dockets on today's date, June 24th, 2026. Court will be in recess until 1:30 to resume with the trial. Everyone.